Hey guys, I just got my backrest in today. I ordered it over the weekend. Today is Wednesday. I ordered it. I think I ordered it on Saturday. I just got in today. Bought it on eBay. I put the link in the description down below. Uh, Not too bad, but the box looks like it's been through hell. Actually, it actually shipped from Mississippi, according to the tracking. But I'm gonna go ahead and open this puppy up. See what we got. Try to do this with one hand. Sharpen my knife. It's my knife I use at work. Oh, what the heck? Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, there we go. Oh, wow. This is backrest. Pretty big. Bigger than I thought it's going to be. It's good. All right, hold on a second. All right, there we go. All right, sorry about that. All right, so this will package pretty well. I don't think that really, we'll see. See what we got here. Alrighty. Overall, looks pretty good. Like they packaged it pretty good for shipment. It's good and heavy, solid. You know, buying this on eBay, I wasn't sure if this was going to be like hollow or solid metal, but this weighs about 5 pounds, 6 pounds. Look, they protected it pretty well here. This plastic or vinyl covering here. But yeah, not bad. I think I paid $46 plus tax. And here's the backrest. Kind of light, but it's not bad. I'll probably have to screw that on there and see how this. Oh, wait a minute. So I see a problem here. Oh, okay. I see. I gotta unzip this. Doesn't have any instructions on how to install it, but I figured it out. Okay. So I had to take these screws off, and then put this inside. Inside there's a plastic hard piece in here that this fits in. Right here. So we'll probably go out in the garage and knock that out. We'll put this on and see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like installed. Excuse the messy garage. But it went up pretty good. I had to wiggle it a little bit to get it to, I guess because it's new, it's not worn in yet, but getting those to completely shut closed took a second, but once you get on there, it's on there. And one thing I didn't know, I thought that this unzips on the bottom so you can actually change the cover or which I'll probably get it redone. But I thought that this bar had to go inside the vinyl, which didn't make any sense because I couldn't zip it up. And then I realized that it goes on the outside like this. So there's a plastic hard piece in here with an opening, and you just take the screws off, take the bracket off, because the bracket was attached to the back of the seat, and then you put that back, take it off, hold it in place, put the top screw. I did the top one first, and then just went ahead and tightened it down a little bit, put the other two, and went right on, no problem. It's pretty sturdy. So, pretty happy with it. Less than $50 off eBay. Once again, I'm gonna put the link in the description. So far, from Plain Jane, single seat. Once again, this past weekend I bought this seat. Got that off of Facebook Market. Actually, it's a Harley parts group. So I drove down and about 30 minutes from here and picked this up for $100. I forgot that. Bought a new one. He bought a custom seat, so he took this off his new bike. Didn't even use it. So I got a good deal on that. A lot better than my basic or the single solo seat that came on it. Also, once again, I already got these. I got these off Amazon. Those about 60. I think I paid like $67. Once again, I put the link for these in the description also. And of course, the only other thing I've done is the stereo, which I got from Fathead Cycles, out of Maryland, I believe. But I think I paid like $458. It came under just under $500 for the kit, plug and play. Then I bought speakers. I got Kenwood speakers in here. I can't remember the model numbers, but I think it was like 666 or something like that. I can't remember. But they're pretty decent speakers. I might actually get some real nice ones, or some better ones for that. But they sound pretty good. The next thing I'll get is actually my lower fairing. I'm looking online right now, so I'm looking at eBay, and they're running anywhere from, for this is 2019, so they're running anywhere from 126 all the way up to like $200. So I'm gonna probably get just the lower end one just to see the difference. So far, I looked at a lot of reviews. A lot of people said good things, but I had good photos of the ones that they ordered compared to the Harley prices, and they're almost identical. I'm pretty sure they probably look a direct copy. But that's my next step, is actually get the lowers for this thing. But I love the bike. This is a electric glide standard, but it doesn't look like one now. That's what's cool about it. But anywho's, just want to share that. So I got that today. Again, I ordered this on Saturday. Today's Wednesday, and it came in probably not even 30 minutes ago. And that's how quick it took for me. You can actually get this thing going. I got it out the box, and I'm pretty happy with it. So, but I'll give you an update and tell you what my wife thinks about it when I take her out on it. And but anyway, thanks for watching.